Welcome to all of you. Student, this is lesson 13 and the chapter name is modals. So it is also a form of verb as you use verbs like is, are, am, auxiliary verb, primary verbs like that. This is called also the modals verb. So the definition is modals are those helping verbs which precede the main verb. They have only one form, means ye. It is used at the place of the main verb. So modals show the manner of the action denoted by the verbs. They express ability, suggestion, probability, possibility, permission, wish, obligation, duty, prohibition or advice. Means where we have to suggest, have to show ability, suggestions, probability. There we use modals. So first the modal is will. So where we can use will? Will is also the main verb we use in the future tense, but it is also the form of modals. As like to express willingness, we use will. As like my brother will join the swimming class. For asking question, for showing determination, and for the threat something anybody, and for permission also we use will. Means the modals will we can use in this form as like willingness, asking question, to show determination, express threat and promises intention. Next modal is you can say would is also the past form of the will. So where we can use this to express habitual action in the past, means to show some habits that was in the past, we use would. As like every summer he would go swimming. To express polite request, to express willingness or wish, to form a conditional sentence statements we use would, but it is used in the past form. Next is shall. To express future time, to express determination, to express command, promises, threat, we use shall. And should is the past form of the shall. So in the past tense we use the shall, and should is the past form of the shall, and to represent the past form's expression, to express duty, moral obligations, to advise association, we use should. Generally we in a common life we use should, as like we should not go there, you should respect your elders, teachers and all like that. We use should for the suggestion, obligation. We should obey our elders, we should respect our parents, all like that. So student, next is the modal is can. To express ability, to express request, to express possibility and to express permission, we use can. Can show the ability, as like they can speak French, you can improve your English language, you can do that work like that. We in these sentences we use can. Next is could. Could is also the past form of the can, and to express ability in the past, to express polite position, question possibility, we use could. As like Raunak could come first in class if he was more hard working. Next is may. Generally we to take respect, to take permission from our elders or our seniors, we use may. As like to ask permission, to express probability, to express purpose, to express wish or prayer, as like may God bless you, may God bless happiness in your life, may come in sir and all, we use may. So student, next is the might. In the past tense of may is the might, but you can use might generally to express uncertainty, as like it may rain today, it might rain tomorrow, like that. He might come tomorrow, as like that. To express purpose we use might. Next is must. Must is for the express obligation, compulsion, duty, necessity, determination, some strong possibility, where is we use must. As like you must solve this question, you must qualify this examination, like that we use must. Next is need. To denote necessity, means where we have to indicate necessity, we use need. As like You need not scream, I am getting disturbed. You need not to go there. You need not to complete these unnecessary lessons. Like that we use need. Next is out to. Out to also used for the moral binding या फिर express advice as like you out to help your followings या you out to respect your parents. You out to abide the law that is in your country as like that. Next is used to. Generally student we use used to express the past events as like I used to go there. जैसे मैं वहाँ पे जाया करता था. You used to come in my house. तुम मेरे घर आया करते थे. तो it to express this kind of sentence we use used to. Next is dare. Dare is to show some courage. Where we have to show some courage and strong desire. We use dare as like in the negative statement. I dare not disobey the rules of the liberty. How dare he misbehave with me? This kind of sentence that is need the dare models. So student, now this is the exercises that I will send you through the PDF and you all have to fill in your book. Thank you. Now revise and repeat this lesson. Okay, thanks.